Hello everyone. In the previous lecture, we have discussed the concept of rotation of axis. Hope you understand well, and the concept is interesting also. In the first case, we have discussed about the translation of axis from means like the origin, shifting the origin from 0 0 to h comma k, and the results based on that. And also we have discussed problems over that. And in the previous lecture, rotation of axis means keeping the origin fixed and rotating the x-axis and y-axis through some angle. Then what changes will take place in the coordinates? And that results also I have explained you very clearly. And I also told you the method of remembering the results. Okay, what is that? Capital X, capital Y, small y, cos theta minus sin theta and cos theta. When you are taking a small x, you will be taking horizontally, small x and small y. And when you want to make the subject in terms of capital X and capital Y, you will be taking vertically. So x is equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta, and y is equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. If you want to take capital X and capital Y, x cos theta plus y sin theta minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. This is how we will be taking the results according to our requirement. Okay, in the today's class we will be discussing some applications on this so that you will have clarity how to apply these results here. Okay, please attend the first problem. Madam, when the axes are rotated, through an angle of 45 degrees, through an angle of 45 degrees, through an angle of 45 degrees, in positive direction, in positive direction, in positive direction, without changing origin, without changing origin, then the coordinates of root 2 comma 4, then the coordinates of root 2 comma 4 in the old system, in the old system. Here the question speaks about, you are given with the angle, what is means through what angle we have rotated, and also the coordinates in the new system, that is root 2 comma 4. Asking the coordinates in the old system, in the sense we are supposed to calculate small x and small y, is it? Let's see. See, I suggest everyone to mind the box what I have told you so far. What is that? Cos theta minus sin theta and cos theta. I am telling you, be confident, but try to mind this because generally most of the students tries to write the equations directly, and I found that many of the students are making errors. Okay. In the old system, so that we are talking about small x. What did I tell you? When you are taking small x, you are supposed to take horizontal, that is x cos theta minus y sin theta. Substitute here capital X and capital Y, and the angle is 45 degrees here. Root 2 into cos 45, 1 by root 2, minus 4 into sin 45, 1 by root 2. So you are getting, gets cancelled, 1 minus this can be written as 2 into 2, okay, and 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Root 2 and 1 root 2 gets cancelled, so that we'll be having 1 minus 2 root 2. Hope you understand this small calculation. We have here 4 into 1 by root 2. Okay, here 4 can be written as 2 into 2 and 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. So root 2 and 1 root 2 gets cancelled. We will be left with 2 root 2. 1 minus 2 root 2, that is x coordinate. And what about y? Y is equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. Okay, what is x? Root 2 sin theta 1 by root 2 plus y 4 into cos theta 1 by root 2 gets cancelled. 1 plus again you will be getting 2. So what are the coordinates of root 2 comma 4 in the whole system? 1 minus 2 root 2 comma 1 plus 2 root 2. See what is there here. Simply first we should understand the given coordinates are in the new system or in the old system and the given angle. Very clearly the question is asking about to find the coordinates of root 2 4 in the old system, so that our subject will be small x and small y, and provided will be capital X comma y and the angle is, that's it. But this box is very important, please take care. Okay, so here we have the options. 1 minus 2 root 2, 1 plus 2 root 2 as the first option. So very clearly it is satisfied, that is option 1. Okay, now please take the next question. If the axes are rotated, if the axes are rotated, if the axes are rotated, through an angle theta, equal to 30 degrees, the coordinates of 2 root 3 comma minus 3, 2 root 3 comma minus 3 in the new system, it is something different again here. In the previous case we were given with new coordinates and angle, asked to calculate old coordinates. Here provided the old coordinates, okay, and the angle, asking to calculate new coordinates. So what did I tell you? When you are taking new coordinates, capital X is equal to vertical, that is x cos theta plus y sin theta. Okay, x cos theta, that is x comma y as the new old coordinates here. 2 root 3 into cos theta, cos 30. What is cos 30? Root 3 by 2. What is cos 30? Root 3 by 2, because cos 30 is equal to sin 60. What is sin 60? Sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2. So cos 30 also will be root 3 by 2. Because generally you people are remembering like that, that's why I am telling you. Minus 3 into sin 30, that is 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled, root 3 into root 3, 3. Okay, minus 3 by 2. So what are you getting? 6 minus 3 by 2, that is 3 by 2. So the x coordinate in the new system, that is 3 by 2. Coming to y coordinate, capital Y is equal to, what is capital Y? Minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Okay, taking like this. Okay, minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Minus x sin theta, nothing but minus x. Okay, minus 2 root 3 sin theta. What is sin theta? Sin 30, that is 1 by 2 plus y. What is y? Y minus 3. Okay, into cos 30. What is cos 30? Root 3 by 2. These two gets cancelled. We will be getting minus root 3 minus 3 root 3 by 2. Minus 3 root 3 by 2. So minus 2 root 3 minus 3 root 3. What we will get? Minus 5 root 3 by 2. So what is y coordinate? Minus 5 root 3 by 2. So the point is 3 by 2 comma minus 5 root 3 by 2. What are the coordinates of 2 root 3 comma minus 3 in the new system? Minus 3 by 2 comma minus 5 root 3 by 2. These are the coordinates in the new system. You should be very careful in the calculation, because generally in coordinate geometry calculation errors will be more. Okay, so if you are aware of those errors, no problem, you can do well. So here we have options 3 by 2 comma minus 5 by 2, minus root 3 by 2 comma 5 by 2, 3 by 2 comma minus 5 root 3 by 2, 3 root 2 by 2 comma minus 5 root 3 by 2. The suitable option is 3. Fine. Yeah, good. Let's go with the next problem. The transformed equation of the curve. The transformed equation of the curve. X square plus 2 root 3 xy x square plus 2 root 3 xy minus y square minus 8 equal to 0. Minus y square minus 8 equal to 0. When the axes are rotated through an angle pi by 6. When the axes are rotated through an angle pi by 6 radians. What is given? The given equation is in the old system, that is x square plus 2 root 3 xy minus y square minus 8 equal to 0 through pi by 6 radians, that is 180 by 6 equal to 30 degrees. Then what is the changed equation in the new system? So see, when we were talking about translation of axis from 0 comma 0 to h comma k, what we have done? Even then we have expressed small x in terms of capital X and h, and similarly y, and we found the transformed equation. Here also the same story. Okay, here you are talking about the equation in the new system. Equation in the new system, in the sense, what we will do, we will write the equations in terms of x equal to capital X and y equal to capital X and y. Then we will substitute 30 degrees, and those results will be substituting in the equation to obtain the final output, that is in terms of capital X and capital Y. So cos theta minus sin theta cos theta, as I have been telling you, routine. Okay, so x is equal to, first we have to calculate x cos theta minus y sin theta, that is equal to what is cos 30? Cos 30 root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 x minus y by 2. Okay, so that you will be getting root 3x minus y by 2. So you are supposed to replace x by root 3x minus y by 2. Please be careful. And y is equal to, what is y? Vertical, that is x sin theta plus y cos theta. What is x sin theta plus y cos theta? X. Yeah, we'll be putting as usual sin 30. What is sin 30? 1 by 2 plus cos 30 root 3 by 2. So root 3 y by 2. So you will be getting here x plus root 3 y by 2. This is y. So this x and y we are supposed to substitute in the equation, so that we will be obtaining the result in terms of capital X and capital Y. So in the calculations you must be very careful, because you will be getting some complicated expressions here. X square means root 3x minus y by 2 whole square plus 2 root 3 xy means root 3x minus y by 2 into x plus root 3y by 2 minus y square means x plus root 3y by 2 whole square minus 8 is equal to 0. See what we have done, x we have replaced by root 3x minus y by 2 whole square, and xy by again root 3x minus 5 by 2 x plus root 3y by 2 minus y square x plus root 3 y by 2 whole square minus 8. Okay, let's simplify further so that you will be getting the required equation. It is according to a minus b whole square, so that what will you get? Root 3x whole square means 3x square plus y square minus 2 root 3 xy, okay, by 4 plus 2 root 3 into root 3x. Okay, let us keep it as usual so that our calculation becomes somehow simple. Plus 2 root 3 into root 3x minus y into x plus root 3y. Okay, so what you are going to get? Root 3x into x, root 3x square plus root 3x into root 3y. You will be getting 3xy and minus xy minus plus minus root 3y square by 4. And next what you are going to get? Minus of x plus root 3y whole square, that is x square plus 3y square plus 2 root 3 xy by 4 minus 8 is equal to 0. So you are going to get the LCM as 4, okay, and so that you will be getting 3x square plus y square minus 2 root 3 xy. Multiply these terms here, 2 root 3 into root 3, 2 3s are 6x square, 3xy minus xy, 2xy, 2 root 3 xy means 2 into 2, 4 root 3 xy minus 2 root 3 into root 3, that is 3 into 2, that is 6y square minus x square minus 3y square, okay, minus 2 root 3 xy minus 8 4s are 32 is equal to 0. 3x square minus x square. Any more x square terms? Yeah, 6x square. 3x square plus 6x square. 9x square minus x square. 8x square. Y square minus 6y square. Minus 5y square minus 3y square. Minus 8y square. Minus 2 root 3 xy plus 4 root 3 xy. Plus 2 root 3 xy minus 2 root 3 xy. These all gets cancelled. And we are left with only constant. All these terms completed. We have only one constant, that is 32. Minus 32 is equal to 0. What's the common factor? 8 is a common factor, so that x square minus y square minus 4 is equal to 0. So what is the equation in the new system? X square minus y square is equal to 4. Here we have the options x square minus y square equal to 0, x square minus y square equal to 4. So we have already got the second option. See how careful you are supposed to be there in calculating such kind of problems. See, generally you might be thinking, sir, these are so lengthy, how to solve in the objective. So lengthy, but when you practice more and more, okay, the calculations become very simple, so that you will not be taking the longer time. As I am explaining, I am going through each and every step because I am handling all the types of students over virtual method. Okay, so when you are doing yourself, if you are capable of doing the calculations somehow faster, you can do it very easily. Okay, that's why you should be very careful. Okay. Write a problem for the means homework you can do yourself. If the axes are rotated, through an angle 180 degrees, then find the transformed equation of 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0, small letters. 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Think logically here. Next, take another problem. If the transformed equation of a curve is 17x square, transformed equation of the curve అంటున్నాడు ఇక్కడ. అంటే the provided equation will be definitely in terms of capital X and capital Y. Minus 16xy plus 17y square equal to 225. When the axes are rotated through an angle 45 degrees. When the axes are rotated through an angle 45 degrees. Then find the original equation of the curve. Find the original equation of the curve. Okay, enough. These two problems are enough. Just try to do yourself and please update me the answers what you are going to get. Thank you.